Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. Thanks for being here with us today.
Sarah, before we start, how's your day going?
It's actually pretty good. Busy, but good. I had 3 meetings, 1 coffee, and 0 naps. So, success?
0 naps is impressive. I almost fell asleep during my afternoon meeting.
Wait, explain that. How do you almost fall asleep in a meeting?
Okay. So I was sitting there, listening, nodding very seriously. And suddenly my head did that little drop, like a bird.
Oh no, the head drop. That's dangerous.
Exactly. I woke up fast and said, yes, I agree.
Classic move.
So today, we're talking about something very connected to real life.
Yes, very real, very human.
Small talk.
Dun dun dun!
Why did you make it sound so scary?
Because for many people, small talk in English feels scary.
True. Very true.
Listeners, let's be honest. Small talk can feel awkward.
Especially in another language.
Exactly. You're thinking, what should I say?
Is this boring?
Am I saying something wrong?
Or the worst one? Silence.
Ah, yes. The long silence.
So first, let's ask each other.
Okay.
Do you like small talk?
Honestly, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same.
If it's natural, I like it.
And if it's forced?
Then I want to disappear.
Through the floor?
Yes, straight down.
Let's explain small talk first.
Good idea.
Small talk means short, simple conversation.
It's not deep.
Not serious.
Usually polite.
And very common in social situations.
Like work.
Elevators.
Waiting in line.
Or before a meeting starts.
Now, here's a mini story.
Oh, I like mini stories.
Last year, I was in an elevator.
Already awkward.
Yes, very quiet. Just me and one other person.
The classic elevator silence. Exactly. We're going up, floor by floor. Ding, ding. The tension.
And I thought, I should say something.
Dangerous thought.
I know. So I said,
What did you say?
so, elevators are slow today, huh?
Oh no.
He looked at me,
And?
and he said, it's an elevator.
Ouch.
Yes. Very short answer.
That's a perfect example.
Of awkward small talk.
But here's the lesson.
Go on.
Awkward moments are normal.
Even for native speakers.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about an expression. Break the ice.
Great expression.
Daniel, what does break the ice mean?
That reminds me of a funny story.
Of course it does.
When I was new at my job, I didn't know anyone.
That's always uncomfortable.
Very. So in the first meeting, everyone was quiet.
Ice everywhere.
Yes, social ice. So I said, well, at least the coffee is good.
Safe comment.
People laughed a little.
Ice broken.
Exactly. Break the ice means to make people feel comfortable.
Often with a simple comment.
Or a small joke.
Speaking of jokes,
Uh-oh.
you said social ice.
Yes?
Wait, explain your joke?
Okay, I wasn't really joking.
Oh,
But ice is a metaphor.
good word. Metaphor.
It means the cold, uncomfortable feeling.
And you break it with words.
Exactly. Simple words.
Now, let's help our listeners.
Yes. Practical help.
What are safe small talk topics?
Number 1, the weather.
Always the weather.
It's boring, but it works.
Example?
It's really hot today.
Or, it's cold this morning.
Easy.
Number 2, the situation.
Like,
This line is long today.
or, that meeting was interesting.
Careful with interesting.
True. Sometimes interesting means strange.
Exactly.
Number 3, neutral questions.
For example,
How was your weekend? Very common. And then, listen.
That's important.
Ask a follow-up question.
Let's do a mini dialogue.
Okay.
I say, how was your weekend?
I say, good. I watched a movie.
I say, oh, nice. What kind of movie?
Perfect.
That's small talk done well.
Now, let's talk about silence.
Silence.
Silence is not always bad,
True.
but learners often fear it.
Yes, they think, I must talk.
But it's okay to pause,
Take a breath
smile.
and continue.
Another mini story.
Go ahead.
I once met someone very nervous.
In English?
Yes. After every sentence, he said, sorry.
Oh, no.
Sorry, my English. Sorry, my accent.
That makes me sad.
Me too. So I told him a story.
Of course you did.
I said, when I learned another language, I made many mistakes.
That helps.
And I said, mistakes mean you're trying.
That's important for our listeners.
Very important.
Small talk is not about perfect English.
It's about connection.
Feeling human.
Exactly.
Let's add one more joke.
Oh no.
Small talk tip. If you don't know what to say, talk about coffee.
That's true.
Everyone has an opinion.
Wait, explain your joke.
Okay, coffee is common.
Yes,
People like it or hate it,
true.
so it's easy to talk about.
Too strong.
Too weak.
Too expensive. See? Small talk. Before we finish, let's summarize.
Small talk is short and simple.
Awkward moments are normal.
Use safe topics.
Ask follow-up questions.
And don't be too hard on yourself.
Exactly.
Daniel, did you enjoy today's topic?
I did. And I hope our listeners feel more relaxed now.
Me too.
Thanks for spending time with us.
Come back for the next episode.
We'll be right here.
Bye, everyone. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.